Louis Vuitton, favorite, size. This one naman in Damier Ebene. Ang ganda ng canvas, very vibrant. Yung front logo, may minimal hairlines. The side. Likod. Ang ganda. Then, the other side. Tapos yung ilalim. Corners. Corner. Dito maganda rin. Here, it's very nice. Yung strap, maganda pa. Matigas and walang ka-issue-issue ang kanyang long strap. Yung chain niya, gold na gold also. Okay, may minimal tarnish lang sa hook. But the chain, it's very maganda. Tapos yung loob niya, may konting, lang doon, may isang very light na pen mark. Ayun, parang buhok lang siya. Ayun. Okay, for when worn, si Ebene. Ayan siya. Shoulder bag, kilikili bag, or crossbody. Ayan. Ayan siya. Very nice.